Okay, so the first thing that we suggest you do before operating the cage is put the bike up on its stand, secure it, and then actually put your foot on the arm on the right-hand side of the stand, which just prevents the bike moving around should you have a larger child crawl onto it. So with your foot on there, then what I do is come up to the gate, and this is our release catch here underneath, and I kind of use this a bit like a trigger on a gun. So you with one hand you can pull it back like so, and then you can lift the gate, release it. With your foot still on, securing it, you hold the gate up. Now, we don't want to just leave the gate up in the air like that, because if we have a child climbing on and they're rocking the bike, but it's not happening here, if you're on a bit of a slope, that could fall down, and it's not going to cause a lot of damage, but it could be a bit of discomfort for whoever's trying to get on and off the bike. So we suggest holding that in place, let the children climb on, keeping your foot on the stand at all times to maintain stability, bring the gate down, repeat the same procedure. So thumb, hand around the front of the cage, pull the lever back and let it go, and there you are, secure and ready to get on your way. So you guys may have noticed that the seat is sitting quite low on this one. One thing that I just wanted to mention to you, something that was a restriction on the earlier versions of the family cage, is how low down you could go with the saddle because of the bar that came across here. So we've changed this, we've reinforced the bottom half of the family cage, and you can now go a lot lower on the saddle as a result. So if you're struggling with saddle height, it might be a good time to upgrade to this cage.